The 2007 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, tachometer, overhead console, moonroof, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.